Hey friends, there's Tippy, there's BB, and there's Dorky, and there's Swiffer, and welcome to another edition of Cooking with the Kitties. And I am making Kickin' chicken wings. I just put them on. I put a little bit of cooking oil in there with the Kickin' chicken spices. And I'm not quite sure what sauce I'm going to use yet. Probably the sweet chili. But anyway, that's what we're making. And they're going to be good. And hope everyone's having a good evening. And we will talk to you later. Right, kittens? The neighbors, my neighbors are up, so she can't go to her normal little places because she's afraid of other people. So she's been hanging around the house all day. Plus I was out shopping all afternoon. So I thought she was outside, but I guess she wasn't. She was in the house. And I still got to get the water out of the boat from yesterday's thunderstorms. Here comes a boat. Jet skis. Shout out to wavy boats. All right, you guys, we'll talk to you later.